Welcome to this AIM tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Create Transactions feature designed to help you turn replenishment recommendations into real unleashed transactions, quickly, accurately, and without leaving AIM. To begin, open the product you're planning to work with. In the top right corner, click on the product drop-down and select Manage in AIM. AIM displays all warehouses associated with the product, so next you'll select the one you need. AIM calculates replenishments based on your sales forecasts, strategies, and stock position. In this example, we've forecasted higher than usual demand due to promotions. AIM recognizes this and adjusts replenishment planning accordingly. The system also helps you right-size inventory, reducing excess stock and freeing cash, an important benefit of AIM's built-in optimization. All the recommended replenishments are detailed in a tab at the bottom of the forecast page. All the replenishments for all your forecasts are listed in the Replenishments tab in AIM. Think of this as a to-do list. By default, AIM shows tasks due in the next month, but you can extend the date range if needed. With the Create Transactions feature, you can generate assemblies, purchase orders, and stock transfers directly from AIM. To begin, select one or more lines in your replenishment list. The relevant buttons will light up based on the type of transaction allowed for that product. Let's start by creating an assembly. After selecting the product line, click Assemble. AIM pre-fills all required details, including quantity, source and destination warehouses, and the expected completion date. You can adjust these if needed. When you're ready, click Create Assemblies. AIM generates the assembly in the background via API, and the line grays out once complete. If AIM detects you're creating a transaction unusually early, for example, more than a month ahead, it'll give you a warning, which you can ignore before proceeding. For purchase products, click Create Purchase. If you set up your default supplier and price details, you'll see these pre-filled here. If not, choose your supplier here. If stock is available elsewhere in your organization, AIM can create a stock transfer. This form is simple. Just confirm the source warehouse, destination, and quantity. When a transaction is created, AIM immediately inserts a provisional pending transaction into the forecast. This prevents duplicate work, so 10 different team members don't accidentally create the same assembly. When the hourly ETL runs, AIM replaces these pending transactions with the open transaction details and recalculates your required replenishments based off your new stock on hand and any other changes. AIM also keeps you informed through live feed notifications. You'll see alerts for upcoming replenishments, overdue tasks, stockout risks, and other important updates. And there you have it. AIM supports you from forecasting through to execution, reducing errors, saving time, and making replenishment planning smoother than ever. Thanks for watching.